Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Deltaco Gaming Controller to your PS4. So first, let's use this model GAM139W as an example. So assuming that you just bought this controller and you want to connect it to your PS4 for the first time, you must connect it using the USB cable. Now after connecting it using a USB cable to your PS4, press the PS or the home button labeled as 12 here, and then the LED will turn solid, indicating a successful connection. Now after that, disconnect the cable, and the game controller now works wirelessly via the Bluetooth connection. So after that, you can now use your Bluetooth feature of your controller without any USB cable. It says here that to reconnect, you can just press and hold the home or PS button for about 1 second, and the game controller will connect automatically. Additionally, it works via cable and via Bluetooth, so it's your choice if you want to use it wired or wireless. That's basically it.